This 2023 Dodge Durango is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Dodge is powered by all-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V8 5.7 ELAW 345 engine, and has 69,151 miles. Unleash adventure with this 2023 Dodge Durango. Powerful, spacious, and ready for your journey. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.